Well, anytime an insurance adjuster asks to record your conversation, which is often done during the claims process, where an adjuster will call you and say, hey, we want to take a recorded statement from you. We want to ask you questions and record that conversation. You should take a moment to understand that that's a serious request. You're being recorded. They're going to ask you a lot of questions. There's nothing wrong with saying, yes, I'll be more than happy to provide that recorded statement from you, but I'm going to need to do it later today or tomorrow to give you some time to prepare for it. You know, a lot of times they'll call you in the middle of the day, you're doing other things, they start asking you questions, you're not really focusing because you got the kids or you're at work, and you may get confused and answer questions with factually incorrect information. So what you want to do is take a minute, review the records that you have, and sort of prepare yourself to answer those questions. Insurance companies are entitled to ask you for a recorded statement. They're entitled to ask you for records and information regarding your claim. So you're going to have to cooperate under your insurance policy, under the great majority of insurance policies, but there's nothing wrong with taking a minute to really prepare for that. If the insurance company is going to ask you to sign documents of any sort, well, obviously you should take a minute to read those documents, make sure you're not signing anything that's going to be considered a release of your rights under the policy. But oftentimes they'll ask you to sign authorizations for information, where you're authorizing the insurance company to go get information about you from, say, a credit reporting agency or your bank or some other entity or organization. Read it, understand it, but the great majority of the times you really should cooperate under the policy, because you don't want to have a claim denied because you didn't cooperate.